The URELEGAN 6ft HDMI to VGA Monitor Cord is a valuable tool. It bridges old and new technology. Imagine it as a translator. This cable helps your modern computer talk to older monitors. You get a pack of 10. This is great for many setups. Each cable is 6 feet long, so you have plenty of reach. It connects male to male. This means both ends plug directly in. It is not directional, therefore, it works either way. This makes setup simple. Furthermore, this cable supports UHD 1080p at 60 Hz video. This means clear, crisp pictures. You can use it with many devices. Connect your computer to a projector, or link your laptop to an HDTV. It works with desktops and PCs too. The URELEGAN 6ft HDMI to VGA Monitor Cord delivers reliable video. It is a good choice for classrooms also. It suits office environments well. Indeed, it's perfect for home use too. Finally, this pack offers great value. It solves a common tech problem. The URELEGAN 6ft HDMI to VGA Monitor Cord is sturdy. It feels well made. Moreover, its plug-and-play design is a huge plus. No drivers are needed. Just connect and display. This cable set is a lifesaver. Consequently, it's a smart purchase. It ensures your older screens stay useful. Ultimately, it's a dependable and practical solution. Pros: connects modern devices to old monitors, perfect for projectors and old displays, no flickering. No whining, works perfectly, cheapest one I could find, just as described, good quality for the price, will recommend, it just works. Frees up USB-C port, worth every penny, connects computer to flat screen TV cons. Screen turned off and on for a sec, doesn't work, monitors all keep blinking on and off, don't waste your money on this trash features. 10 pack of HDMI to VGA cables 6 feet cable length, male HDMI to male VGA, not directional. Signal, supports UHD 1080p at 60 Hz, for computer to monitor, connects laptop to projector, works with HDTV, video signal only. Easy to use. The URELEGAN 10-pack provides 10 6-foot HDMI to VGA cables. These cables let you connect devices with an HDMI port, like computers or laptops, to displays with a VGA port, such as monitors or projectors. They send video signals in either direction and support clear, high-definition video up to 1080p at 60 Hz. These easy-to-use cables are great for setting up multiple screens or connecting various devices. The URELEGAN 10-pack of HDMI to VGA cables offers a simple way to connect newer computers to older monitors and projectors, supporting 1080p video. Many users found these 6-foot cables to be effective, affordable, and good quality, praising their flicker-free performance and ease of use, even noting they free up other ports. However, some customers experienced significant issues with monitors blinking on and off or the cables not working at all.